Welcome to Teaching Era. Today our topic is regular expression, which is related to the course of theory of computation. Operators used in regular expression, union or positive sign. If R1 and R2 are regular expression, then R1 vertical bar R2 also written as R1 union R2 or R1 plus R2. This is also a regular expression. Concatenation. If R1 and R2 are regular expression, then R1 R2 also written as R1 dot R2. This is also a regular expression. Clean closure is most important in regular expression. If R1 is a regular expression, then R1 clean closure, the clean closure of R1. This is also a regular expression. Positive closure. If R1 is a regular expression, then R1 positive closure, the positive closure of R1 is also a regular expression. Let's go for some example question. Here some example question. Question number 1. The set of integer over 0 1 that end in 3 consecutive 1. Let's solve it. And in 3 consecutive 1, it's mean 0 or 1 comes before 3 consecutive 1 many times. Okay, 0 plus 1 and clean closure apply. One, one, one. This is the answer of question 1. Let's go for question 2. The set of integer over 0 1 that have at least 1 1. At least 1 1. It's mean ones come 2 times, 3 times and many times, but at least 1 time. 0 plus 1 and clean closure. 1 bracket 0 plus 1 and apply clean closure. 0 or 1 comes before 1 many times and after once many times, but once comes at least 1 time. This is the answer of question number 2. Let's go for question number 3. The set of integer over 0 1 that have at most 1 1. At most 1 1, it's mean once come once time, not 2 times, not 3 times, only 1 time. 0 come many times before 1. Sorry, I will remove this 0. Okay, 0 comes many times before 1 and apply clean closure here. And after 1, 0 come many times, but once come only 1 time. Here is the answer of question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. This all is correct answer. Thank you for watching this video.